check out our newest feature release, LinkedIn Lead Ad Integration. So if you're curious what this new LinkedIn feature is all about, now you can collect leads from your LinkedIn ads, automating the process of turning them into contacts within your system. So why this matters and how it's going to help. This is going to allow you to seamlessly capture leads from your LinkedIn ads. Leads from LinkedIn are automatically transformed into CRM contacts. This is going to allow you to easily incorporate LinkedIn leads into your automated workflows. So let's get started. To access this integration, go ahead and click on Settings in your lower left-hand navigation menu. From there, you're going to click on Integrations, and you're going to see the new LinkedIn integration option. Go ahead and click on the Connect button. From there, you're going to set up and sync your LinkedIn accounts. So go ahead and start that process right here. Now, once you're done connecting LinkedIn, you're going to go ahead and open up the custom field mapping area under Integrations. And you're going to map, or as I like to call it, link up custom fields as needed. So you're going to match your first name with your first name and your last name with your last name, and so forth and so on. And it's that simple. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.